listening to The Revenue Engine with Michael Pacheco, a veteran CMO who has driven over $10 billion in revenue in the past decade with strategic marketing and customer-centric leadership. Join your host as he transforms marketing departments from cost centers into profit centers. Prepare to shift your marketing into high gear and drive unprecedented growth.
Feeling overwhelmed by the constant demands of social media marketing? I get it. I really do. Let's explore how you can effectively automate your social media marketing efforts to save time and boost efficiency. Hi, I'm Michael Pacheco, a fractional CMO for health and health-adjacent technology companies, and today I want to guide you through automating your social media marketing efforts. The right tools can help you streamline your processes, maintain a consistent presence, and engage with your audience more effectively. I've got recommendations for social media management, social media marketing things. Number one, always my personal go-to for myself, for my own agency, for teams that I lead, for companies that I work for, is going to be Agora Pulse. Agora Pulse is a comprehensive social media management tool that allows you to schedule posts, manage multiple social media accounts, track performance metrics, all in one place. I'll also manage multiple users. So if you've got a social media team, you can have multiple users, assign tasks, all sorts of different stuff. Agora Pulse is fantastic. It's a user-friendly interface, great analytics. It's an excellent choice for small businesses. Number two would be Hootsuite. We've all probably heard of Hootsuite. Hootsuite enables you to schedule posts, manage multiple social media accounts, track performance in one place. It's a versatile tool that supports all the different platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, pretty much the same as all the others. Number three is going to be Buffer. Buffer is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It enables you to schedule posts, analyze performance, and manage all the social media accounts from one single dashboard. Number four is going to be Sprout Social. Sprout offers robust scheduling features, advanced analytics, and social listening capabilities. I like that one about Sprout. It's a great tool for managing and optimizing your social media strategy. Number five is going to be Later, Later. Later is particularly popular for Instagram marketing. It provides visual content calendar, scheduling, analytics, makes it easier to plan and execute specifically an Instagram strategy. So automating your social media marketing efforts offers you several key benefits. Here's four of them. Number one is going to be time savings. So automation tools allow you to schedule posts in advance, freeing up your time, freeing up your team's time to focus on other more important aspects of the business. What I like to do for teams that I'm leading is batch social media. For example, if you're watching this video right now, if you look at yesterday's video or the video from 2 days ago or the video from 3 days ago, I'm wearing the same thing because I've been recording now for about an hour or so, and I'm batching a whole bunch of content, and then I'm going to hand it off to my team, and they're going to do the video editing, and they're going to schedule the posts. So it's a great way to manage my time because I can set aside a chunk of my time and focus on creating content and then let my team do their thing. So time savings is a big one, less task switching. Number two, key benefits. Again, we're talking about key benefits for social media marketing. Number two is going to be consistency. Maintaining a consistent posting schedule is crucial for building and engaging with your audience. Automation ensures that you never miss a posting deadline, so long as you keep up with the content creation. That's the most important part. If you don't have content, you got nothing to post. So if you're keeping up with the content and you can schedule those posts out, you're not going to miss it. Number three is going to be enhanced engagement. By automating routine tasks, you can dedicate more time to engaging with your audience, responding to comments, and building relationships. Number four is going to be data-driven insights. Automation tools often come with analytics features that provide valuable insights into your social media performance, right? So the more you understand about how your content is performing on social media, the better you can make decisions for optimizing that content. Whether it's content topics, you can tell if one topic is getting way more engagement than another topic. Whether it's your posting time of day or your posting day of week, all these different things that you can look at and check out the analytics and consider what's working better and what's not working as well, and make adjustments based on that data. To get the most out of social media automation, I've got a short list of 5 best practices here for you. Number 1 is going to be planning your content calendar. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts in advance. I love leveraging AI for this. When I am working on content calendars for me or for clients, I'm always leveraging AI to help me with grunt work. I will teach AI what our goal is, what it is we do, who we're trying to reach, and I will let AI come up with that content calendar for me in a spreadsheet format. I copy and paste that into Google, go through, review, and make edits, but the first draft is almost always done by AI because it just works really well that way. There's one thing that AI does very well is rough drafts of generative content stuff. Highly recommend leveraging AI for things like planning your content calendar. I'm not saying don't review and edit, always review and edit. AI is far from flawless, but I am saying that leveraging that is very valuable. Number 2, monitor and engage. Automation does not mean you should set it and forget it. You regularly monitor your social media accounts. You want to still be in there. You want to be responding to comments. You want to be engaging with other people on your timeline. You want to be engaging with your audience. You want to be engaging with maybe your competitors, right? If that fits your brand, engaging with your competitors could be a very interesting way to market yourself. That could be interesting. But engaging with your audience, responding to comments, things like that, you still want to be active on social media. It's not a set it and forget it thing. It is a tool to be leveraged. It is not going to take over everything so that you don't have to do anything at all. Number 3, analyze performance, use analytics features of your automation tools to track the performance of your posts, identify what's working and what is not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. That's pretty straightforward. Number 4, stay authentic. While automation helps streamline your processes, it is important to maintain an authentic and personal touch in your interactions. Avoid sounding robotic. By avoid, I mean don't. Don't sound robotic. Ensure that your content resonates with your audience. You know this through reviews. This is going back to analyzing performance. Review posts that you've done in the past. Review comments. Figure out what is getting engaged with and what is not. And work on this stuff. Invest more time and energy into stuff that is resonating with your audience, and so on and so forth. But being authentic is important. And this is coming from a guy who just told you to leverage AI. I think AI is fantastic and it is a tool to be leveraged, but it doesn't replace you. Number 5 is going to be test and optimize. Continuously test different types of content, posting times, and strategies to find out what works best for your audience. Use the insights gained to optimize your approach. All right.
Are you dreaming of digital domination? Wake up to Boxer, your dream team for web services, marketing logistics, SEO, and content. We don't just help you play the online game, we help you change it. If you're ready to rewrite the rules of your industry's digital landscape, visit boxer.agency today and let's get started.
In conclusion, automating your social media marketing can save you time, ensure consistency, enhance engagement, and provide valuable data-driven insights. By using the right tools and following best practices, you can streamline your efforts to achieve better results. So what I want you to reflect on today is your current social media strategy. Question number 1, are you effectively leveraging automation tools? Question number 2, how consistent is your posting schedule? If you're posting every day for a week and then not posting for 4 weeks, you're wasting your time and energy during that 1 week that you were posting every day. I promise, because people will forget about you in the next few weeks where you're not posting at all. How consistent is your posting schedule? Figure something out and be consistent. Even if it's once a week, be consistent with it. It's so important. What steps can you take to engage more with your audience while saving time? I'll give you a clue here, a hint. Hire a VA, hire an EA, an executive assistant, hire someone, get someone on the marketing team to pop into social media accounts, spend 10 minutes on every social media account, 10 minutes on Twitter, 10 minutes on Facebook, 10 minutes on LinkedIn, 10 minutes on Instagram, whatever your accounts are, 10 minutes on each one every single day, and replying to comments, leaving comments, engaging with other people on the timeline, that sort of thing. 10 minutes a day per account. You'll see the results of that over time, 100%. So considering these questions can help you enhance your social media marketing strategy. And if you're struggling to figure this out, it's too much, I get it, I'm here to help. Reach out to me, let's chat, it's completely free. I have absolutely nothing to sell you. And my only goal here is to provide you with actionable value that you can apply directly to your business. You can get at me on LinkedIn or by reaching out to me directly on my website, michaelpacheco.co. If you found this video helpful at all, please give it a like. Let me know what was valuable for you in the comments. That will help me understand what is working for you guys, right? So that I can then adjust my content strategy in the future based on what's working and what's not, what you guys like and what you don't care about. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're listening to this as a podcast, please give us a review on whatever platform it is you're listening on. All of these things help us to reach more businesses, helps us to help more businesses, and that's really our big goal here. So as ever, thank you so much for doing everything that you do. I am Michael Pacheco. Until next time, cheers.
You've been listening to The Revenue Engine with Michael Pacheco. For inquiries into market leadership, tailored strategies, or personalized consulting, visit michaelpacheco.co.